kiddies slash mummy, we've got two options. First one is we can go to a park like we do all the time, or we can go and find an awesome botanical gardens or somewhere like that where we can walk around and explore some paths, and there might be some water and stuff like that and some cool trees. And what do you reckon? Which one?
Run around on the path?
Run around on the paths and all sorts.
I think I want to go there.
Alright, so you want to find somewhere cool where we can go explore?
Wow! It's like a coffee house in here.
Hey guys!
It's water!
Wow, look at that! Skylar, come here, quick! Jump down, have a look! Come here, what is it? What is it?
Butterfly.
How cool is that? Watch this, you ready?
Daddy, I want to got my finger.
How awesome is that?
Then this. Then this. Yeah.
Look at me, Missy. How cool is that? That's called a monarch butterfly.
Oh,
How beautiful is it?
it's so beautiful. It's like from Tinkerbell because I saw
is.
a butterfly like this.
Hold up, Missy. And right in front, like this, so I can walk on it.
Jump. Jump. Okay. Looks like from Elsa.
How awesome is that, buddy?
Good.
Can I show you something, Missy?
Go in.
Now, hold still, look up at me, look up at me. How cool's that? That is so awesome, Missy.
Take it off?
You want me to take it off?
Yeah, because
We ended up at Morialta Falls. Hopefully we can see some cool wildlife. We've already seen a monarch butterfly. And what are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? Yeah, well, we saw some rainbow lorikeets, didn't we, Missy?
Yeah, I saw it there.
Yeah.
With my own eyes.
You did, you did. Hopefully we can see a koala or something and some other cool stuff. But Tay's baby wearing today. Woo woo! Look at this, bud. Stay there, you wave. Got the fire truck. There's another one. Whoa. Poor little dude's wearing out. Let's go see what these kids are doing. So we just hiked up, I don't know if you can see it, all those stairs to get up to the giant cave. Skylar and Mason have beaten us up there. And they're... You right? Look at you, Missy, king of the hill, hey? Yeah. How cool is this? Pretty cool cave, hey?
Yeah, now let's go back up those stairs.
How cool is that?
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, can you see where it starts all up top there? We finally made it with Mason trying a few chances. There it is. You gotta talk to me.
I'm gonna have a photo in the waterfall, maybe.
What's that? You ready? What are you doing, Missy? Look at that, Missy. You're standing under the waterfall. What are you? You meathead. Out of the water. Come on. Out. That is freezing.
I want to go in there again.
No, we're gonna get going.
Gross.
Mate, he was up to it and he's looking.
You can see on his pants.
Oh, there you go. I think it was refreshing. It wasn't too bad, but it was definitely cold. If we had a towel in the car, I would have gone right under the heaviest part. But we don't have a towel in the car, do we?
No.
So luckily Skylar and I didn't get all that wet. Apparently there was a couple there that were bagging us out for being down there, having fun with our kids in nature. The girls. Oh, they're out there.
So they had two girls, and the girls were like, "Can we go down there, mummy?" Blah 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 blah. She's like, "No, we're not going down there. That man is silly. That water is freezing. Blah 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 blah. What's he doing with no shoes on? That's disgusting. Oh, that poor little girl's getting all wet." She was just like,
what a muppet. What a muppet. So bringing our kids down to enjoy nature. How fun was it?
So good.
Are you cold? Was that a cool day that we had?
Yeah.
Mace, was that fun?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Look at his pants. How deep did you go in? I wonder.
And we're not having our bits on because they're wet.
They're a bit wet. Yours aren't. You're just doing it to be cool like Mason and I. Yeah. Mason and Skylar are definitely Grangers. I've asked them about 3 times if they want to put their boots back on. And
we don't because the rocks are not hurting us.
The rocks aren't even hurting their feet apparently. But they're pretty, it's pretty stony. Taylor wouldn't be able to do it, would you? No way. Well, there you go. She can feel the rocks through her shoes and she's not liking it. So we had a close encounter with an Instagram boyfriend at the bottom of the waterfall. You probably saw them in the background, and the guy took literally like 50 different poses and like 10 photos of each. Look up in the tree, what can you see?
A koala! Everybody wants to see it.
Can you see it, Macy?
I see it!
Good job!
Look at that, really
It's like
hot.
I Spy Koala edition.
Where is it, Missy? Up.
Can you see it, Mace?
In there, right there. Mate, come on. Off we go. They're not even worrying about stepping on the... Mace, Mace, Mace. No, 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 no. You knucklehead, mate. Are your boots full of water now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet they are. Come on. It's like... It would have been up to his knees down there. What a knucklehead. What a knucklehead.
Mace keeps walking and he's like this. He's trying to find all the koalas.
Oh, really? Yeah. You trying to find all the koalas, are you, buddy?
Daddy, let's keep running together.
Alright, you go run, I'll catch up. You all puffed out? No? Hey, travelling Tay. Your legs sore?
Not too bad, to be honest.
Right.
I cramped a bit on the stairs though.
There you go.